Hey guys, this is Poetspice, and I am here to do the Craft Vault Collab episode for November. I can't believe it's the 11th one. I can't believe that we're halfway through November, and I can't believe it's about to be 2022. What the devil. I remember when me and my sister were younger and were like little kids, and we used to talk about like how old will we be when it's 2000. Oh my gosh, now it's 21 years past that. Oh my gosh, how old am I? I'm so old. Anyway, I decided that I was going to pull out some really old stuff from my stash. So I pulled out this ultra detail embossing powder, and it's opaque white. So I was really happy because I did not realize I had opaque white. I knew I had some like crystally and some like shiny kind of white. So I was like really happy when I saw, oh, wait a minute, this is opaque. And then I took out one of my old stamp pads. So this is an old stampability pad. It was like $1 or something. Well, it says $2.99, but you know I don't pay regular price. So I took out that. Then I went back to the days of Unity stamps. Now, Unity stamps is still around as far as I know, but I quit getting their, I was in their club for a long time, but then I stopped getting them because they got to be a little bit expensive. And I was like, yeah, no. So I did pull out some of my old kits. See, September 2015. So I pulled this one out, and you can see it was $26. And then, of course, you got to pay shipping. And then it just went up from there. And I'm like, yeah, no, we're not doing that. So it's your red rubber stamps, which is one of the reasons why I was willing to pay as much as it was. Yeah, so you've got this one. And this is one of my favorite stamps right here. And I love this one, too. So I pulled this one out. I got this one out, which is October 2015. Ooh, that's 6 years ago. And I got this one because I love the little girls / women they had on their products. And then I pulled out this one, which was October 2014. See, I told you, back in the day. And this is one of my favorites here too. I love that little angel. So I used those in my embossing powder. I took some scraps of stuff that I just had laying around from other projects that I was using for Christmas. And so I'm just going to show you. I heat embossed these. I know I didn't make projects out of all of them, but I stamped them and heat embossed them, and then I did want to make one project. So here is this one. Don't you just love that opaque? I love it. And the fun thing about embossing is you can hear it and you can feel it. It's so lovely. So I did a couple of those. Fabulous. And then I did one of the little cups with like the little sweater wrap. And then this paper here is from the diamond press kit that I got this year. And then I did the Christmas tree, which I was not sure how this tree was going to come out because you see how close it is. And if you get too thick of a embossing powder, you won't see the details. So this says ultra detail. So I was hoping that it would come out, and look how lovely it looks. You can even see little branches. And then I did this one. You can see, I think this was the first one I did. So it's like you can tell, like, so if you heat it up too much, you can end up burning it, which is okay. It's okay. Just gives it a kind of vintage look. So this is one of my faves too. I love this one. And fabulousness about embossing is you do not have to color it. You can, but you don't have to. And then here's the little angel. So you can see all the detail in her with her little hair. And then I just love that sketchiness. So then I did one tag. I was going to make all tags. And then I was just like, I'm not feeling it. So, because after you stamp it and then you emboss it, you know how that is. So then I took this one and I embossed it. And then I used some scraps from the diamond press kit. This was from Tonic that I had from a Tonic kit. So I just put that twine on there to go with it. This is actually a Stamp of Life extra die, like it was a extra gift die. And then this is just some paper that was in my stash from Craft Smart. It was a Craft Smart paper. So there's my little stamp. You can see her Her little head down, her hair all covering it. Very wintry. So those are my items this month. Go check out the other ladies. And don't forget to check out the other collab calls that I have up. The one that's out now is the one for the 12 Days of Christmas. So check that video out. And then this weekend, I will be putting up the videos for the UK Craft Stash, the Stash Dive, as well as the Diamond Darlings collab. So I'll have 3 collab call videos out this weekend. All right, see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and go check out the other ladies. Be safe out there.